last time we had studied about the chemical equation, that chemical equations needs to be balanced. But why does it needs to be balanced? Let us see. The chemical equations needs to be balanced to follow the law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass you have already studied in the 9th standard, but then also let us revise once again. State the law of conservation of mass. The mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. It means it can be converted from one form to another form. Here, see that the total mass of the elements present in the products of a chemical reaction has to be equal to the total mass of the elements present in the reactants. It means that the total mass on both the sides, that is on the reactant side as well as on the product sides, needs to be balanced, means it should be equal. Let us see one example. When zinc reacts with sulfuric acid, it gives us zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas is released. Now examine the number of the atoms of different elements on both the sides of the arrow. That means let us see on the reactant side and let us see on the product side. If you see properly, the zinc, hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen, the number of the atoms of the zinc on the reactant side is 1 as well as on the product side is also 1. Whereas the hydrogen is 2 on reactant as well as 2 on the product side. Sulfur is 1 on the reactant as well as on the product side. As well as the oxygen is 4 on reactant as well as on product side. As the number of the atoms of each element is the same on both the sides of the arrow, it is a balanced equation. I hope you understood why the equation needs to be balanced. The equation needs to be balanced to follow the law of the conservation of mass. The law of the conservation of mass means the mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. It is just converted from one form to another form. We have seen the example of one such balanced equation. Now in next video, we'll see how to balance the chemical equation. Thank you.